How to buy Apple gift card online. For this, open a browser and search for Apple gift card. Tap on the first suggestion shown, that is from the official web page or website of Apple. Then tap on this buy bubble at the bottom present. You can also tap on the buy bubble at the top of the dashboard. Now wait for it to load. Select how you want to send this gift card, via email or mail. Then select a design of a gift card or the Apple logo that will be imprinted on your gift card. Now for an example, I'll be selecting the second one. Then at the bottom you will see choose an amount along with a gift card. If you choose the amount, you have to custom add an amount. For an example, I'll be choosing the $25. Go ahead and enter the delivery details and also the recipient detail right here in this box along with the email address. Also, at the bottom, you have to go ahead and fill out your sender name and your sender email address. So quickly go ahead and fill out the dialog boxes. You can add a special message if you want to, or tap on Add to Bag. Now wait for it to load. At the top you will see Checkout, and if you scroll down you will also find this checkout bubble. Simply tap on it. Now once you have tapped on this checkout option, you have to sign in using your Apple ID, or you can guest checkout from here as well. For an example, I'll be selecting Continue as Guest right here. Now once you check out as your guest, you will see two options. That is, paying via your credit or debit card or your PayPal. Select any of this, then on to the next step, enter your credentials and buy your Apple card. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.